In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see highlights here in Free Fire and watch replays. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But essentially, replays allows you to check your best plays and watch all of your highlights. So let's go ahead and get into this because it's actually pretty easy to set up. First things first, go to the top left corner of your screen and select on your profile icon. What this is going to do is pull up your mini page player. And once you're on your profile page, what you're going to want to do is actually look in the bottom left corner, or at least towards that, and select this album button right here. When you tap on it, it's going to give you access to your saved content. Within this album, you'll be able to see all of your highlights and replays, including your top kills, your best matches, and other moments. The game automatically records. It's definitely a great way to rewatch your gameplay or share clips with your friends. Now, if you don't see any highlights yet, don't worry. You got to keep playing matches, and once you do achieve some great moments, they'll start showing up here. But that's it. You now know how you can view your highlights and replays here in Free Fire. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you do have any questions though, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.